So the first step in finding a quadratic formula is plugging in the equation. So our equation in standard form was y equals x squared plus 6x plus 8. So what we did first is we did the opposite of a is negative 6 plus or minus square root of 6 squared minus 4 times 1 times 8 over 2 times 1. And then from there we got 6 plus or minus square root of 36 minus 32 after we multiplied, and then again over 2. And then next, after we did 36 minus 32, it came out to be 4, which left us with negative 6 plus or minus square root of 4 over 2. As a result of it being plus or minus, we needed to plug in the equation for both, which meant that we had to do negative 6 plus 2 along with negative 6 minus 2, which left us with the final answers of negative 4 and negative 2. The quadratic formula is x equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. For this project, we were required to use 7 points in our quadratic. These points were 0, negative 1, 0, 3, 8, 15, 24, and 36. To graph, we went over 3 to the left by using our vertex form, which was y equals x plus 3 squared minus 1, which we went over 3 and down 1 to do this.
As you can see here, we have our standard and vertex form already written along with the box, and we start off with x times x is x squared, 4 times x is 4x, 2 times x is 2x, and 4 times 2 is 8. And from there we have x plus 2 times x plus 4 is the factored form. And then to find our x-intercepts, we subtract on the x plus 2, we subtract 2 from each side, which leaves us with x equals negative 2, and then same for x plus 4 minus 4 minus 4, x equals negative 4 for x-intercepts. And then for the table, just plug in x and y values. So negative 4, we'll do negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, and 2 as our 7 values. Negative 4 is going to be equal to 0, negative 3, negative 1, negative 2, 0, negative 1, 3, 0, 8, 1, 15, 2, 24. And then we'll move down to the graph. And start plotting our points for our vertex, which will be at negative 3, negative 1. And then just go up from there.